cat out the bag here. We've actually created the videos for you, so you don't need to do it. You don't even need to know how to do it. I'll share more on that in just a little bit. But leave me a comment if you'd like my team to make your sales videos for you. Because I don't know of anybody in the world that is better than us at one, creating a lead, then converting it to a close than we are. Okay, third and final. I got to deliver. I got to deliver a product. Okay, this is, by the way, the transaction itself. Okay, now delivery. You've got to over-deliver, okay? So what we could do here on delivery, first we want to over-deliver, so they want to do business with us a second time, a third time. You know, you've heard me probably talk about second and third sales, okay? There's reason companies have tens of thousands, there's reason my companies have tens of thousands of five-star reviews. And I'm gonna tell you, it's not what you think it is. Oh, you're just really nice to people, okay? Oh, no, it's because our products are good, number one, and they work, number two. And number three, the reason people give us five-star reviews is not what you think it is. It's because we sell them a second time and a third time and a fourth time. You can only do that with automation. Always over-deliver on the expectation, but always know how to automate the second, third, fourth, and fifth sale. So with the third step, there's the hard way of doing it yourself. This is the easier way to do it where you can scale and you take the shortcut, which is to outsource the work to others, okay? And have a partner. This could be a contractor, it could be an employee, or better yet, what I recommend is partnering with another company and letting them do the super delivery of the service or the product. We'll talk more about that here in just a bit, but for now, just know that your business can literally be this simple. Generate leads, close with automation, deliver the goods. I'm gonna tell you what I love about services is that you can start selling services that someone else will fulfill now. As fast as tomorrow, but you could really do it sooner than that. Selling a service on Undercover Billionaire, I did not want to have a product because products take time. If you sell a product, physical product, digital product, you got to go build it, grow it. Then you got to grow the subscription. The funnel right here is the fastest and easiest way to generate big paydays. Okay, so for this funnel, you've got 3 pages, okay, where we're generating leads. The thing is, when you get the lead, you got to have something to offer people. And that's what this is right here. We call this a lead magnet, okay? Your lead magnet can be a free report. It could be a free training. It could be a free webinar. It could be almost anything that will get people to give you a hand up in the air saying, I'm interested in that product or service. And this is going to be a capture page. So we're going to capture everything on this first page. It's called the lead capture page. This is going to move us to an appointment. Very simple to do. All can be automated. I raised my hand. I want to know more about that. They hit this page, okay? The magnet pulls them in. I'm qualified. After they booked an appointment, this is where your sales video goes right here, okay? There's going to be a sales video. And it's going to tell the story for you, okay? The beautiful thing about a sales video is you don't have to go and do a presentation when you don't feel good. Sales videos work every day. They work when you're sick. They work when you're not there. They work at 2 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They always work. They never show up sick. They never show up late, and they never show up with a bad attitude. By the time the prospect gets on your call, you've already gotten them partially or almost all the way sold. If I can get a client 56, 58, 60% sold, the rest of it is just touch and close. I'm going to teach you how to get clients to pay you $60,000 a year or more. You saw me do it on the show, $5,000 a month. So you're going to still have to close the deal. Somebody's got to finish that thing and just kind of push people over. And I'll teach you exactly what to say on that call. But the important thing right now is the sales funnel. This is the senior part. Some of these are just going to come in and buy from you. Trust me, it does happen where it's easier than you think it is. The shortcut is the simplicity. Shortcut the process so you don't have to chase. Remember this is a magnet. I'm pulling people. I'm not chasing people. Oh, I almost forgot one of the most important things. After you've generated the lead, what you want to do here is to have some emails automatically